Good afternoon. This is 5 Tons with Guns back with you, and my name is Casey. And we're with you on the tools that you are likely to be using with your foundry furnace. We have right here a complement of tools, and we'll start with the tools you're probably most likely going to have to start off with, and that being probably your poker, stir stick, if you got a piece of an ingot in there, you can see how soft it is. Probe around. It's a good tool. Also, your skimmer. And then you'll need a means to move your crucible out of your furnace, whatever means you may have, to make that happen. I have a pair of crucible tongs that I grab my crucible from the side, and you've seen me use these. But those are the three main the three tools that you would want to have when you start off with your foundry. Now next, you'll have your degasser. And this also I found on the can, rendering the cans. I found this tool a lot better of a tool to be using in rendering the cans than what I was using, this poker. So you've got a dual purpose thing here. You can degas, and also it will be more expedient while you're rendering cans, a lot quicker. Then you'll have your scraper to clean out your crucible. Scrape that out. I don't do a lot of it, but there are times whenever I do. I usually turn the crucible upside down and I fire it. But this also is a good light skimmer to get the dross off. These are tools that you'll probably want to add and make according to what your needs are. Then last are my latest addition that we built, a pair of clamshell tongs. I think I debuted these on a couple of videos ago, but they're good for putting stuff into the crucible, heating stuff over the crucible, and also taking stuff out of the crucible. And I think it may be crucial in rendering dross. I'm not quite sure on that. I've used it, and the results are not conclusive yet. What you see here on this table are things that you can do with nothing but scrap. Nothing was bought to create all of these tools. The washers, the round washers, the discs, and such, speaker magnets. So they'll have the dimples already started in them to drill your holes so that you can get a real good concentric circle. these tongs, the handles on these tongs are from a high-bed. This is the grab handles to lift the bed out. These are things you can do with not very much at all. Okay, I believe we've covered all that. I want to add a little bit more tidbit on the plinth, and then we'll be done with the plinth stuff. Now, like, if you're running hot and hard and you want to get done and you may be on your last plinth and you're pressing it and that plinth fails, here's a good alternative for you. How about a piece of 3-inch by 1-inch channel iron? You know, there's scrap of this around. You can make it out of angle iron, 2 pieces of angle iron. But have it on hand just in case. Also, another tool, you know, the other tools are your molds for your ingots whenever you are rendering your metal out. And not much to say about that. You've already seen that in action. And that just about covers the tool part of it. And our next video, we're going to tell you and show you some good tips on getting the most out of your crucible. And you know, how to care for it and such. We feel that we have successfully gotten 120 pours out of one crucible. And we can back that up with our videos that we've put out before. So we'll show you about that. And also Joe at myheap.com on the hacksaw, the power hacksaw with Vincent Singery. We got a little bit of a setback. We do have the pillar block bearings, but you can see that we have 3 of one kind and 1 of another kind. So we're kind of making an adjustment on that. That's a little bit of a setback. But you know, whenever you're planning things out, you know, I suppose you have to factor those sorts of things in nowadays, right? Anyway, that'll be it for today, and we'll see you on our next video, and thank you for watching.